I'm Mark Hubner and I'm a CCTV drainage surveyor for DAMM Environmental. We have got in the back of this van here a CCTV camera or various cameras that we can use to investigate the conditions of drainage pipes. If there's any major defects found, we can highlight the defect above the ground to allow for an excavation to be done. And if the defects aren't quite so severe, our crew can carry out patch repairs to rehabilitate the pipe with a patch liner inside without any dig having to be carried out. I've seen the industry change massively over the last couple of decades. When I started off in this job, the video footage was recorded onto VHS tapes and the coding was done on paper. Now we've got computers and laptops in the vans. We use software to code the surveys and it's all recorded directly onto the computer, uploaded via the web, and we can do a job one day, upload it to the server, and then the client can have it the following day. That's how quick the turnaround can be on a job. I've been in the drainage industry now for 20 years. I started off with DAMM Environmental as a buyer, worked in the office for 6 months before getting the opportunity to go out in the tools to become a CCTV camera operator. Health and safety in the industries came a long way. Every crew at DAMM Environmental, every camera crew carries its own safety equipment, so you get a tripod, winch, harness, escape send, gas monitor on all the vehicles to keep the crews safe. Crews are all got certification for confined space entry. The jetting guys have got their jetting accreditation, and also most crew members have got CSCS cards as well. So,
GPS in that?
I do GPS and manhole cards, aye. So we're about to carry out a manhole survey. So a manhole survey is where you measure all the sizes of the incoming and outgoing pipes in a manhole. You take note of the material, you take note of the depth of the manhole, the depth down to all the pipes, the size of the chamber, whether or not it's a medium, heavy or light duty cover, the shape of the cover, the condition of the manhole, and it's just a full document detailing everything about that manhole, including internal photograph and a location photograph as well. The manhole card's done on the laptop, and we relay all the information regarding all the various sizes onto a spreadsheet basically. Thanks for joining us today. We were doing manhole cards and we were also doing GPS surveys. If you want any information about what we do at DAMM, please don't hesitate to get in touch with the team.